All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I am super stoked to be able to do this for y'all. So this is something that I pre-ordered almost 2 months ago from Dbrand, and it finally came in today, and I am super stoked to do this unboxing and review. So let's go ahead and dive into what is in this packaging. So as far as the box goes that it was sent in, got these really cool robot graphics and stuff all over the box that they sent it in. Of course, on the back, it's nothing. I did go ahead and tape over kind of like my personal info so y'all can't send me anthrax. So there we go. But I have not opened it. I haven't done anything with the packaging yet. I've been dying to do this video for y'all so y'all get my initial impressions in real time and seeing it for the first time with me as well. So let's go ahead and peel the little tab here and get this out. So let's go ahead and slide this out here. And as you can see here, it is a grip case box. So let's go ahead and get it opened. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, it does say that it is for the S21. So I am super stoked to give y'all my first look of the grip case for the S21, and looky there is the silicone MKBHD skin as well. So I pre-ordered this when they gave you the opportunity to, and it finally came in. This thing has been back ordered or in the pre-order stage for a while now. So I've been dying to get my hands on the grip case because I absolutely loved the grip case for the iPhone 12. And also, the main attraction is getting this new MKBHD silicone skin for the grip case. So I've been dying to get my hands on this as well. And then it looks like they did send me a microfiber cloth, and it looks like it is a gaming chair. I guess I can go ahead and just kind of take it out here so the lighting isn't so reflective on the packaging here. So as you can see there, got a gaming chair, microfiber cloth there, so pretty cool. And then here is the actual grip case for the Samsung Galaxy S21. So if you've ever had a grip case, then you know the quality of the case and kind of how it feels and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's get the silicone grip skin on the actual case and get that installed real quick. And let's show it off. So kind of the first things that I'm noticing, and this is just my first very initial impression. If y'all see how that's kind of like it's kind of bent. I don't know if that's gonna affect the case itself, but I mean, you can see it as clear as day that it's definitely got a little hump in there for some reason. I don't know if I can kind of straighten it out myself, but that's my first impression so far. So I don't know if it's gonna mess up the phone or look weird on it, but we'll go ahead and figure it out. So let's go ahead and get the actual MKBHD Icons grip skin, our Icons grip skin on the actual case here. So I'm gonna kind of do what I normally do with my Dbrand skins. I'm going to just peel it off here and then put it back on here, but like half of it, so that way I have just an easy way of just kind of matching up everything on here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything's free and clear of kind of dust, anything like that. All right, so I got that top part on there. And you just kind of want to make sure that that little lip there for the camera bump is nicely exposed, so that way it's not overlapping. And then of course the edges here look very nice. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is lift this up and then just kind of make sure that I'm able just to kind of work down the actual skin. Okay, so there is the MKBHD silicone icon skin on the actual grip case. So obviously the most major difference with this particular grip icon skin is that with the icons all in it, it's a matte black, but then you have like this, it looks kind of like a silver kind of reflective color. At first I thought it was white in the pictures, but it's definitely not white when you're looking at it. It's definitely like a silver color. But as you can see here, you have all the different MKBHD icons, like for example, the gaming chair that my microfiber cloth is in. You got the thumbs up, you got the MKBHD logo, 8K gaming controller. So yeah, so all kind of the iconic things, you know, the Android little guy there. So there is the actual skin installed, and looks pretty dang good. So my only concern still though is this little hump that's in the case. I mean, obviously if I notice that it's really affecting it, I'm gonna have to reach out to dbrand and see, you know, what the heck's going on. But I'm just kind of hoping over time, over the next couple of days, that it kind of works its way straight once I have it in the actual phone. But obviously with the dbrand grip cases, it's known for like this really nice microfiber kind of material in here that the phone's going up against. Got that cool logo and graphic there, dbrand branding there. Obviously with the grip case, you do have some really good drop protection and everything with this particular case. And then of course here on the sides, you have some grip and all that. So let's go ahead and slap my S21 in. But before I do, let me go ahead and put the actual icons camera bump skin on the actual phone real quick. Okay, so got the camera bump skin on there. So now let's go ahead and slap the phone in. And there is the actual phone installed with the icons grip skin on here. And as you can see here with this particular cutout of it, they tried to match up as best they could. For example, like you see the Google logo there. So yeah, so it actually matches up pretty nicely. This one here doesn't very well, but of course these three do, so not too shabby. But looks pretty dang good. I mean, obviously with it being an icons skin, it's definitely gonna look good. I had the just more matte black version on my iPhone 12, but I definitely like this one. If you can't tell, I do like the icon skin. As you can see here, I have this background that a lot of y'all love, my wallpaper, and I keep on linking it. So definitely, I'm a big fan of the icons look. So as far as the skin goes, looks very good. The grip case for the S21, so it did even it out. So we'll just see over time if it gives me any issues. But I'm a huge fan of the grip case because you have this tremendous grip on the sides, and then on top of that, it just looks good because then you can jazz it up with different skins and everything like that. Of course, on the sides, you do have that extra grip here, as you can see. That's kind of that signature look with the dbrand grip case. And then you do have your raised power buttons that have the little teeth and texture in it. So easy to find with your fingers. They absolutely feel fantastic with those little grips and teeth in there. And then when you do go down to the bottom, you have a single cutout here for your USB Type-C port and your microphone. And then of course your speaker grill. And then going to the side here, you have the added grip, just like the other side. And then of course the texture of the rest of the sides is that very grippy material as well that they're known for. And then going to the top, you do have two single cutouts here for the actual microphones right there. So two individual cutouts as well. Definitely like the look so far. So it's gonna cost you around $44.99 for this combination. Obviously, I don't know if they're still doing any promos or still selling the icon skins on a regular basis. The phone case feels really good in the hand. Reminds me very much of the iPhone 12 one that I have. And then of course, I really am a big fan of the new look of the silicone version of the MKBHD Icon skin here. I really like the case. I've always liked dbrand grip cases. You got some nice lips on the front that's gonna protect your phone. Obviously got a nice little cutout here for the speaker grill up top. It's a slim profile, feels good. Doesn't really add much bulk or extra weight or anything like that to it. As far as the shaking goes, no shake at all on the front. No shake at all on, well, actually no, yeah, no shake on the back. So it does give you that nice flat profile here. The buttons, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test real quick. So all the buttons are extremely clicky, so it passes my clicky button test with flying colors. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do the Qi wireless charging test real fast. And obviously it is Qi wireless charging compatible, so no issues at all there. So as you can see, it is fast wireless charging my device. So there you have it, guys. There is the grip case from dbrand with the Icons silicone skin. So one more time, just kind of take it all in and look at it and see what y'all think of it. But I think it looks really, really good. So guys, if you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you loved it, you know what to do. Smash that sub button, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Would love to have you a part of my YouTube family here and keep on coming back and watching my videos. I would appreciate that. And yeah, guys, so be safe out there and we will see you on the next one.